Hi, I'm Chris Love, developer and educator, and I am thrilled to deliver this course on progressive web applications from beginner to expert. Over the past 15 years, I have been fortunate enough to share with thousands of developers advanced web development technologies. This includes speaking at hundreds of developer groups and prominent conferences around the United States. I've also taught multiple workshops to help developers master these concepts. Over the past 10 years, I have been able to author 5 web development books, including a brand new progressive web application book due out any day now. I have also been honored to be a Microsoft MVP in web platform technologies. I have been able to foster great relationships with engineers on the Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox teams. This gives me a very unique insight into the excitement and enthusiasm each of these browsers has around progressive web applications. But it also has helped me understand how they're implementing support for progressive web application features and how to take advantage of those. I also have advanced knowledge of what their roadmap looks like around progressive web applications so that you can be prepared for what's coming down the pipe in the future. In this course, we'll cover all kinds of progressive web application technologies and techniques. This includes how to use a web manifest file to deliver a great Add To Homescreen experience. We'll also cover how to make your website secure and why that's so important today. And of course, we'll cover service workers. Service workers are one of the most exciting new technologies to hit the web platform in years. We will look at the service worker lifecycle, and of course, we're going to cover caching. You'll cover simple to advanced caching strategies and how to apply those in a real-world web application. And we'll also cover things like push notifications and background sync. Plus, as new technologies are added to the service worker stack, I will add more resources so you'll be the first on your block to master those as well. Now, I know that not every browser supports progressive web apps just yet. For example, iOS Safari has yet to ship service worker support. But don't fear, I've also got content in this course to help you add features and polyfills so that your website can progressively include progressive web application features and technologies on platforms like iOS. This includes an Add To Homescreen Experience, as well as being able to cache content and data. The course includes a reference application that will follow along so that I can explain the concepts as well as demonstrate the code, and you can have access to that code and you can try it out yourself as well as experiment. By the end of this course, you will go from being a novice to an expert on progressive web applications. So come join me today and start your journey to be an expert progressive web application developer.